Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a bouquet using my favorite chocolate, okay? Even I don't eat much of the chocolates because it's bad for that. No, I'm just joking. So guys, what we need today is this stick and this Ferrero and some of this, okay, and later on, and this one to lock or to close, to seal the paper. So let's start doing this. So what I did, it's put the glue on here, but guys, make sure your glue stick is hot already, so stick like that. Oh. And wait until it dries out. Okay. See? Just like that. And also, I'm gonna include this heart shape into the bouquet, okay? Instead of, because I'm thinking to put the Skittles inside of this one, but I decided to use this Kisses.
First love, we were young and wild.
Look at this one, guys. Isn't that nice? Yeah. So the next, what I'm gonna do is I cut the paper like this and fold it diagonally. You know where I learned this one? When I was in high school. You see, I put it like that. I fold it like that. And then wrap around. From the bottom of my heart. And I'm gonna mix it with the white ones. Sabi nila balang araw darating ang iyong tanong. King panalangin, hindi maikukulit ang pag-asa. Hanap ko sa iyong mga mata ang tulad ng kiwalang. At ngayon nandyan ka na, di ka sasaktan. Handa ako sa walang hanggan. This is for you. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. Nagkaiyakan pa tayo. Sige na. Tama na. Okay lang yan. It's not the end of the world. Kung wala kang love life, ako din wala.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wonder. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together.
Remember, loser never wins. And there's always a rainbow after the rain. Always remember that. It's not always raining on your side. And failure will mold you to be who you are. So learn to accept everything. Oh my god. Isn't this cute? Duty.
Hearts and letters carved into the shore. We'll never grow old. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real life.
Oo na, kayo na ang merong mga jowa. Sige na, kayo na ang panalo. Ako nang walang jowa. Pero I'm happy.
Something about you always makes it harder. Look at my lipstick on your white shirt collar.
So guys, here you go. So I just go ahead and put them all together. And this is the heart shape, the one I made a while, like you probably saw it a while ago. And then what I'm gonna do is wrap in this wrapping paper, plastic, the cellophane, okay? So guys, if you want to order, I'm free. So here you go guys. And smile and always be happy, even deep inside of your heart is crying, but it's okay. You know, it's not, you're not gonna die with no, just joking. It's okay to be sad. Honestly, it's okay to be sad because we're only human. But make sure to stand up and head up straight and keep going. Thank you very much for all the support again. That's all for today. I'll see you on my next video. I love you and God bless us all. Okay? Be safe. Mwah.